Welcome to CAD Drive. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to create surfaces in Siemens NX, how to trim surfaces, how to use through curves, and at the end, you are going to learn how to sew surface and make a thick body using surface. So let's get started. This is a drawing here. We are going to make this model. The distance between these two semicircles is 150, radius is 50 and 100. So let's get started. So let's create new file. Select Shape Studio. Click on OK. Now if you can able to see the grid, go to menu, preferences, select grid, turn off the grid. Let's create a sketch on front plane for a semicircle. We are going to create circle and then we are going to create trim with this base plane. So let's see the dimension. Dimension is radius is 50 and for second circle radius is 100. So let's dimension this. This will be 50, dia will be 100. Click on OK. Our sketch is fully defined. Let's finish. Now let's create a offset plane with distance of 150 mm. Select datum plane. Select this face. Distance will be 150. Number of plane will be 1. So this is our plane. Select plane. Let's sketch a circle of dia with 200. This dia will be 200 mm. Let's finish this sketch. Let's recheck this dimension. Dia will be 100. Now let's make a loop between this. Use through curves. Let's select through curves. Select this circle. Press middle click to select next and then select this. Please make sure you select here is sheet, not a solid body. Click on OK and you can see now our taper circle body is ready. Now let's create a closed surface for these two circles. Go to more, select fill surface, select this curve. Please make sure here continuity is G0 and now again select fill surface, click on this curve, continuity is G0 and click on OK. So our base body is ready. Now we have to create this taper circle of radius 25 and radius 50 at the center. And we are going to pattern this 3 by making only 1. So let's create a base sketch at this plane. Select this plane, click on OK. Now you can see here the distance is 75 and the radius is 25. So let's create a circle at here somewhere. Let's define this sketch from here to here. Distance will be 75. Let's again dimension this. The distance between this is 75. The radius is 25 mm. 25 multiplied by 2, 50. Let's see again. Radius is for at origin plane, it radius is 50, not a dia. Finish the sketch. Now we have to create a plane at offset of 150 mm distance and the circle radius is 25 mm. So let's create, select atom plane, select this plane, create a distance as 150 mm, go to sketch, click on this plane. Now we have to create a circle of radius 25. We had create circle of radius 25 and distance of 75. Distance between this and this is 75. Our click is, so let's hide this body. You can see now our sketch is ready. Now let's make a through curve for this. Click on through curves, select first sketch, press middle mouse button, select second sketch. If something happen like this, please make sure your this arrow direction are in same direction. To create arrow in same direction, click on arrow by pressing double click and you can see now our through curve is ready, and please select here from solid to sheet. Press OK and you can see now our taper body has been ready. Now let's make a fill surface for this body. Go to more, select fill surface, select this curve, select G0 continuity, select this curve, G0 continuity, press OK. Now we have to sew the body. Select sew command. This is my target, this is my tool. Press OK and you can see now this is now become a single sheet body. Now we have to make a pattern for this picture. Let's define separate color for this picture. Now go to feature tab, select more, select pattern geometry. Geometry will be our sew surface. Specify vector, or vector will be this Y line. The number of count will be 3. Undo result, reverse the direction, press OK and you can see now our part is almost ready. Now we have to just join this all surfaces and make a trim of this, and we have to make a solid of this through thick surface. Now let's trim this. Go to trim command, trim sheet. This is my target, this is my boundary. Select region, this will be keep apply. This is my target, this is my boundary, region is this, apply. This is my target, this is my boundary, this is my defined region, apply. This is my target, this is a boundary, this is a region to keep. OK. Go to trim command again, trim sheet, this is my boundary, this is my target, region to keep is this. Okay, trim sheet, this is my target, this is my boundary, region is selected is okay. Now our trim work is almost ready. Now we have to just make a join of all four surfaces. Select a shoe command, this is my target, this surface is my tool, and you can see now all surface has been sewn. Now we have to make a final trim at this base plane. So go to trim sheet, this is my body to trim, and this is my boundary. Select region to keep, click on OK, and you can see now. Let's hide the sketches. You can see now our part is ready. This is what we are wanted. Let's hide this plane. So this is our final part. Let's make a fillet. Go to edge blend, select the spaces, edges. This radius will be 10 mm. Click on new set. This and edges will be radius of 5. So our model is ready. Now we have to make a thick surface for this surface. So go to more command, select thicken, select the surface, thickness I wanted is 2.5, reverse the direction, click on OK, and you can see now. Let's hide this final surface, and you can see now our 2.5 mm thickness body has been ready. If you want to check again, let's make a cross section view. You can see now this is a solid body. So that's how simple it is, very easy to use. Let's define a color for this. So that's all from today my side. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.